The Tower of Mountain. Oh, see, that is so big. So I go. So take this. Ah! 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 Uh! 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 Ah! 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 What the fuck? Let me take this close because I'm cool man. We kill someone. Then take this. Yeah. Take my clothes off. Oh, never mind. Take this out. Ah! 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 Ow. My foot hurts. But, oh, damn. Is that a bomb? Help me! Help me! What the hell? Goddamn. Shakalaka! 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 Ow! Freak you, guys! You want to take this shakalaka? Then take these knuckles. Uh, uh, uh. Take this. Shakalaka. What the fuck? What the freak? Goddamn. Robot, what the fuck? Hey, take this. Robot. Let me grab you. Let's go die together. Robot. Oh, my arms. No. Robot. Oh my god, I'm tired. What should I do, bro? I'm so cool. I'm the strongest. Shut up. Boom. What? Let's get on a scooter. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, let's be fun. Yeah, you're right, bro. Let's go. Let's go scooting. Okay. Boom, 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 blah, blah, boom, boom. Let's go. Move, move. Ow, 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 ow. Ah, 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 ah. Ow. That's it. Ow. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, shit. I don't want to die. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, ah. dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Shakalaka. 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 Popcorn. Lollipop. Give me the popcorn. I see he's using puppy. But no. Ah. My arms. Ah. My arms. Shakalaka. 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 Shaka sakala. Shakalaka. Number two. Hello, freakers. Hello, you fuckers. Shakalaka. I come for you. I'm coming. Where are you? Sucker, walk with the models? No. Damn, I'm cooked, man. What is the sucker boom boom? Do you mean sucker the duckers? No way. Now, why am I doing here anyways? Why am I chained up? Well, okay. Bye, guys.
Hey, yo,
6,
no.
7.